Hi guys, VST here, Speaks Tech. I want to make a very short video, only 2 minutes. I want to show you how my S21 Ultra is just a disaster right now, right? So just see guys, alright? This is me getting to my notifications, okay? It's really crazy. The lag is just insane. I don't have a power saving mode, I just have enough battery, and if I go, see even going into my settings, okay? I'm not sure what is going on, but I'm really not in a very good mode. If I am to go inside my display, you can just see I'm using adaptive motion smoothness, right? So see, this is really going on since like 1 hour. See, this is really crazy, and I even don't have that much notifications. All right, now I can just go inside, guys. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna do like a screenshot, okay? See, and then I say I'm gonna try to open Viber, try to attach it. I'm not sure what is going on, but yeah, these are the things that Samsung needs to fix very quickly. And I can tell you guys, if you did not have the chance to watch my video, watch it. It is on all the findings that the world right now knows about the latest S22 Ultra with the Exynos 2200. The problem is that what I have in my hand, the S21 Ultra, is perhaps better in some of the situations, right? And even this is, right, a very expensive phone still to this day that I speak. Things like this are really very annoying. This is really insane. I just do some camera opening, camera closing. The lag that I have, see, I mean, this is really insane. Right now, I am very disappointed, right? I don't have that many open apps, so let me just show you guys. See, I mean, okay, yeah, I have some open apps, but I just have here the 12 gigabytes version, right? So if I go inside my settings and I am just going to search for memory and I go inside, you know, you can just see I have here the S21 Ultra 128 gigabytes, but I do have the 12 gigabytes RAM, and the S22 Ultra with the same storage comes with 8 gigabytes RAM, right? So it's really gonna be an insane. This is gonna be almost not usable, right? I'm gonna clean up the memory just to see if it's gonna get better, right? Just for the test, guys, okay? Just for the test. Okay, so let me just do this. Yeah, no, see? Same lag. You know, this is horrendous. I'm gonna close everything. Same lag. Alright, notification curtain is really so laggy. It is absolutely insane, guys. Yeah, no other points from this video. Just wanted to say I'm a bit disappointed right now, and this will probably kind of make me not want the S22 Ultra, at least for a while. Thanks for watching. Yeah, almost 3 minutes. Damn, bye.